Just getting my car back from the shop, and look, bolt's not all the way tightened. Let's see what else I fucked up.